Salam, 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 salam.
Hi!
Hi.
Hi everyone!
Hi, Rahman.
I'm Arsalan.
I'm Assalam.
Hi, I'm Humaira Rahbin, and this is my son Arsalan Sharifi. We are
Hi,
from Afghanistan,
Sharifi.
and I study at the University of Cambridge. Back in Afghanistan, I did my bachelor's in political science and MA international relations. And I worked with several NGOs and also international organizations back in Afghanistan. My latest job was with the Dutch Embassy as Gender and Development Advisor. And mainly I've worked with as a policy level with for women's rights and also gender equality. There's a severe need for women at policy level and also decision-making positions. And that drove me to go for a degree in public policy because I think we need more experts in this area, and especially women experts. Of course, it's very different to live with a different kind of lifestyle in Afghanistan and here. I here felt that I have the option and also the freedom to make some decisions that I couldn't make back in home. So that was the first impression I got from here. And the serious thing was that when I studies started, then I really realized that, okay, you're at the University of Cambridge. Settling in at Cambridge and also in the department has been very heartwarming and very good because they understand that there are a lot of international students as well. There are people coming from Japan, from China, from Afghanistan, from Egypt, from Syria. So there are people with different backgrounds and they're coming from different countries. A lot of worldviews, different angles that you can see sometimes as a person who's a bit experienced and has already done an MA, and also you see a person with a different age, with different experience. You can see the world from a different angle. You can find the opportunity to see how they are seeing the world. Of course, the level of education is beyond what I expected. It's very high. You have to study a lot. You have to learn, and also along with that there are opportunities that you can connect with different groups of people, make your own networks, participate in events. So yeah, a lot of opportunities ready for you to grab and learn and flourish. Luckily, I found about Rowan Williams Cambridge Studentship, which supports students coming from conflict zones, countries where it's not very easy for them to continue studying and also find the opportunity to be in Cambridge. This is organized by Cambridge Refugee Scholarship Campaign, which is run by students at the University of Cambridge. And the students have been super supportive, not just in terms of establishing such a program, but also helping students adapt with a new environment, introducing them with other students at the University of Cambridge, and also helping them settle in. Balancing motherhood with studying. I have like my own tricks to manage my time and also spend time with my family, with my son, and also do my studying. And I also understand that you have to put double energy in your studying. So what I do is that I stay awake more 2 hours or 3 hours in the night. So that way really helps me to not lag behind. The first thing Arsalan said when he arrived in the UK was, we are here in London and let's go to park, let's go shopping. So things are that easy for him. All he knows is that there's a different environment, but the thing is that the environment is very positive. You know, people are smiling wherever he goes. They're thanking each other for a very little bit of favors. It gives him kind of positive energy, so he doesn't feel we are not from here. Maybe it's because he has been always with me and my travels. That's why he's kind of globalized kid. Fortunately, I come from a family, both my own family and also my in-laws, that they're very much supportive of whatever decision I make, and it's right for my future and career and also for my family. So my husband has been super supportive. He supported me to be here, even though I'm alone and he's in Afghanistan. And also my in-laws, my own family, they have been very supportive. We are in touch. They're calling me every day, and always they encourage me to work harder. I really miss my husband, the person who is like involved and behind all this success. I know he misses us as well, though we are like in touch on a daily basis. Whenever we talk about with each other about how much we miss each other, then we think of the big goal that we are hoping to achieve in life. So that's why we say, okay, so it's kind of not a permanent situation. We'll be back together. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. To find more about the Rowan Williams Cambridge studentship and other scholarships, you can click in the link in the description.